Now this one is really good just to kind of get the curve back in your low back. As we age and with all the world that we live in with phones, we're often going into forward head carriage and having our phone down. So one simple thing, even if you're in chronic pain and on the couch, that will really help neck pain, and then I'm going to show you low back pain, is to get your phone up, get your head back, and don't let yourself gravitate towards. I see people and I don't say anything to them because I don't want to be a nosy Nelly, but they are sitting there like this, folded up, doing stuff on their iPad and phone. And I think, man, that's a lot of pressure, and it decreases your lung capacity. It's not good for your heart. It puts a lot of extra weight on the head. And every inch that you have forward head carriage is somewhere they estimate between 12 and 16 pounds more pressure on the neck. So think about if you added a bowling ball to your head because of how far your head is carried out and then down. Why would you want that extra pressure, especially if you're dealing with headaches? So you want to keep your posture good, keep your phone up. I know it looks almost too proper, but it's so much better for your head and neck if you do that. Well, similarly, this little strengthening will get the curve in your low back. The curve makes your back so much stronger. In fact, when you have a natural C curve in your low back, you are 23 to 26 times stronger. And trust me, you want to be strong when you're lifting things like a couch if you need to move it, or if you're just doing stuff like golfing, weeding out in the garden, just doing basic stuff that people want to do where you're using your low back. That is how you strengthen your back. So it's almost like a cat camel where you'd go like this and then like this. And that's the stretching version of the back and spine. So that's the stretch version, but the strength version of this is you want to grab onto your knees. Hopefully you guys can see my low back. You want to arch it really good, shoulders down and back, head and neck in good posture. Hold, 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 squeeze, and release. Again, low back arch, shoulders down and back, squeeze, breathe, 5 seconds, and release. Again, one more time. And that's what you can do, even just sitting at a computer if you have to work from home. If you're having a hard time getting off the couch, that's something you could do 10 or 15 times and strengthen your back.